We're ready to make some sales. So it's time. You've got a lot of things set up, but now you need to be able to actually make a sale. This program, I promise you, it's going to be kind of like your brain. It's going to be where everything about your bride, your customers, and your sales live. So let's find out exactly how to do just that.
Before bringing up your first sale, you need to make sure that the terms and conditions that are printing or attached to digital receipts are correct. Click Administration and Template. Click the Terms box. To add a Terms and Conditions, click the Create button. Describe what this is for and select whether it would be placed on a receipt or tied to a purchase order. Simply type out or copy and paste your terms and conditions. Feel free to use the merge fields if they are helpful. You can click the Edit button to edit any terms and conditions at any time. Always check with an attorney in your state, province, or country, as terms and conditions are not standard templates. To actually ring up a sale, you are going to click Events. You can search or select the event or create a new one. In this example, I will be ringing up a sale for the bride. Click on the bride in the upper right corner and scroll down. Click Ticket. Click Add. Once in the actual ticket, you will use the navigation in the top right to add items to the ticket. Sale will be your special order items, and Fast Stock Sale will be your out-of-stock merchandise. Click Sale. Choose the quantity that the customer is purchasing. Search for the style name of the merchandise being purchased. Choose the correct item and click OK. The system now pre-fills information that is associated as available with that item, and all you have to do is select the correct information for that bride. The customer's measurements that have been inputted into the system show up below the style. The sizes that are available for the item that is chosen show up underneath the size box to ensure no mistakes happen. Click Size, and a drop-down appears with sizes available, as well as telling you what size the stock piece is in your store. The colors that are available for this dress show up to minimize possible mistakes. Just like the size box, once selected, a drop-down appears for you to select the appropriate color. And if this item has been slated for discontinuation, or is discontinued, that box will be checkmarked. The price automatically populates. The Fees section pops up, which gives you the ability to select any extra fees that you put as available on this dress when you entered it into inventory. You can also simply type in any extra fees that you are adding to the gown. Maybe you are extending the train or charging for shipping. Those extra fees will be added here. Choose whether that fee is taxable or not. These extra fees will also automatically be added to the purchase order when created. The tax rate will be automatically selected from when you set up the item in inventory. Choose if this item is an off-the-rack sale, a special order, or a layaway. The system is smart enough to not allow you to choose off-the-rack or layaway if the sizes and colors that you have chosen for the customer do not match the stock piece you have. Enter any special instructions you would like to have printed on the receipt, or use the merge fields to enter the customer's measurements. Assign the sales associate for this item. Incredibly important for commission tracking. If a bride buys a dress on a comeback, and you want the original consultant to get the commission on the dress, but another consultant to get commission on the veil and jewelry purchase, you can assign the consultant per item. Click Save, and you will be taken back to the customer's ticket with all the information entered. If your customer is buying during a sale, you go to the navigation at the top right and click Adjustment. Choose which item you would like to make an adjustment to. Enter in the discount that you are wanting to give. Enter the description of why you are giving the discount. Click Save. The discount is now added to the customer's ticket. You can also place comments on your tickets that will be added to the actual ticket and not into the customer's event file. These can be helpful to remind the customer what next steps are, that they are choosing a size against your recommendation, or simply to let them know you appreciate them. Once you click Save, they will be added to the ticket. To take a payment, go to the top right navigation and click Payment. The payment due automatically populates to whatever percent of the balance that you chose and set up as your store standard. Choose what the tender type the customer is paying with. If paying with credit card and you use one of the integrated processors, that swipe and approval process will be here. If it does not integrate, simply choose the card type and enter the approval code that your credit card terminal gives you. Click Save. In the top right navigation, we will now click Receipt. A pop-up box appears allowing us to print, and you will have the customer sign. Or you could have the customer digitally sign and then send them an email copy of their receipt. Make sure whichever one you click, you also checkmark the box to have your terms and conditions added to the receipt. Digital signatures are most easily used on any mobile device, but can be done on desktop if you choose. As soon as they click I accept, the system will automatically send an email with their signed receipt, which makes printing receipts optional. At any time, you can review the signatures by clicking Signature in the top right navigation on the ticket. This will also allow you to click on the PDF of the ticket for viewing, print for printing for your records or the customer's, and email to send to the customer.
Now that you understand the full capabilities of what that sales section can do for you, use it. So use it for sales in your store. That bride's coming in maybe for alterations or even just to pick up her dress. You can go into her ledger, you can go into her account, and you can see absolutely every transaction, every favorited item, every email and text message that has been sent to this bride, and you have everything at your fingertips to maximize your business.